I'll never forget what was waiting for us around that bend in the road. Hi, I'm Joe Murray, a wildlife artist from Zululand, South Africa. Living in Zululand means I'm incredibly fortunate to spend time in some of Africa's greatest game reserves. One afternoon, Ilse and I were driving through Mfolozi Game Reserve during golden hour when we rounded a bend and suddenly we stopped. Standing right in the middle of the road was one of Africa's most elusive predators, a magnificent leopard. But he wasn't looking at us. His eyes were locked onto something hidden deep in the bush. For a few unforgettable seconds, he stood absolutely motionless, completely unaware that we were even there. I knew this moment wouldn't last. My camera was already in my hands, and I managed to capture just a few reference photographs before he silently vanished into the bush, as if he'd never been there at all. Back in my studio, I knew I had to paint that moment, not just the leopard's beauty, but the mystery, the power, and the tension of that unforgettable couple of seconds. Every painting has a story. Thank you for letting me share this one with you. Moments like these last only split seconds in the wild, but through my paintings, they can last a lifetime.